Extension methods let you add features to types you cannot modify directly. Add methods to string, integer, or even sealed library classes without touching their source code, making APIs more convenient and expressive. The syntax requires a static class, and then inside you can create a static method, but in the parameters, the first parameter uses the this keyword. Use it naturally, like, for example, string text is equal to something, and then text dot the method name as if it were a built-in method. They work with any type, including classes, structures, interfaces, and even sealed types like string that cannot be inherited. Use extension methods for utility functions, enhancing existing APIs, or creating fluent interfaces that chain naturally. Keep them focused and domain-specific. Avoid overusing them because too many extensions across different namespaces can confuse maintainers about where the methods come from.